Hello and welcome everyone. I am Daniel Heine, a fourth and final year student at GMIT Letterfrack on the Level 8 Bachelor of Honours degree in Furniture and Wood Technology. This tutorial package, which was set up as part of my major project, will help convey the fundamental principles of a range of advanced Inventor features that have been released. To find out more about GMIT Letterfrack, visit the webpage linked below or follow the college on Facebook or Twitter at GMIT Letterfrack. This is the fifth video of a suite of tutorials which will go through the process of creating a little drinks cabinet to help set up and go through the process of using new Inventor tools, iMates, iFeatures, iParts and forms. Firstly, we're going to take a look at some advanced iParts, and through this we're going to set up the iParts for the next video. Most designers have parts that differ by size, material, or other variables, although the same design works in many models. You can create these designs as iParts and then use one or more of these variations. This short tutorial will give us an opportunity to go through some of the possibilities with advanced iParts. Allow us to set up the iPart for some advanced possibilities with the tool. The next tutorial will go through the process of advanced iParts in more depth. Now, let's begin. Earlier, we created this door in our iFeatures video. The door has two little handle holes that fit with our handle iPart, along with two hinge holes for that are iFeatures, as you can see on the left. Handle hole iFeature and a hinge hole iFeature. We also used this door earlier to use for iMates. And you can see an iComposite handle here, which is part of advanced iMates. Handle insert. Okay. This tutorial, we're just going to go through basics of setting up your iPart. So it's ready to go and use, so it's ready for us to use the advanced features. So firstly, we're just going to go and create a chamfer on the edges of the door. So we're going to call this chamfer width, and it's going to be 5, and you can just click on the edges of the front of the door all around, and we're going to click apply and cancel that again, and then we're going to go across and suppress the features, and we're going to put a fillet on it. So we're going to click all the edges of the door, and we're going to call this fillet radius, and let that equal to 5. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to suppress the fillet, and we're going to create a sketch on this edge here, new sketch. We're going to go to circle, up to your top corner, and we're basically going to create a little groove out of the edge so you can open the door with not only the handle but a little groove. Just you'll see later on in the tutorial what I'm using it for. So we're going to call this, and we're going to just actually do that, and we're just going to dimension it then now. I left click there and dimension that. We're going to list parameters. We're going to call door thickness plus 5. This is going to be 25 mil in diameter, but it's only going in that far. So we're going to finish that sketch. Then we're going to extrude this circle. Distance is going to be all. We want to cut all of the door, and then that's okay because it's going to cut. If you didn't go to cut, you have to go and select a little die along there. Press OK. Now you see a little groove there on the back of the door. So if we turn off these handle holes, we're going to suppress the handle holes along with the iComposite handle up here. Just press them. Now we have a little door that can be opened with a little hole in the top. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the right of the door. We're going to create a new sketch on the edge. And we don't need this little dot, so we're going to delete him. It's just projected the geometry. And we're going to do a spline on the very edge of the door. Go to the very edge, make sure it's green. Zoom in so you can see it a bit more. Go up, down, up, down, up, down. And then go to the edge then. And click the green little dot. Now we're just going to fix this up a bit so it's not too steep in the very end. Just drag it down a bit. We might actually go to our view, go up to visual style, and then go to wireframe, so we can see we're missing the two hinges. Maybe bring that down a bit small, but just to, so it's not too steep. And bring this fella up here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to delete them projected geometries that automatically popped up. So we just have the one line. And we're going to go to sketch again. We're going to go back to our sketch, and we're going to, this is a very bold thing to do, but we're going to automatically dimension this. Turn off constraints and just apply it. Because it's spline, there's a lot of dimensions needed for just done. And then you can see it's fully constrained, there's no problems there really. And finish the sketch. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch in this plane here. I'll turn back on the visual so you can see what's going on here. Shaded edges. And we're going to create a sketch on this edge here. New sketch. Now we want to be able to see our sketch over there. So we're going to turn back on the visual style so we know what's going on here. Wireframe. Now we want to draw a sketch, a spline on this edge here, make sure it's green, and this time we're going to go up, down, up, down, just the opposite of what's there on the other side. Down, up, and then back to our end, which will turn green, and then click OK. Now just make sure that that's not going near any of the hinges or anything, or upsetting anything here. Just drag that down so it's not as harsh on the edge. Drag down there as well. You need to drag this one up here a bit. If you were to see and see that, just keep it away from the hinge depth there. Drag that belly up there a bit. Okay, so we're going to do that automatically. Well, first we're going to delete all the lines we don't need, these little projected geometries up. This little fella here as well. And another fella over here. Is there? No, is there not? Okay. And we're going to automatically dimension that as well. Turn off the constraints, apply, and done. Finish the sketch. Now you can see you have two lines, two spline lines that are going to create an organic shape on the front of our door. You can turn back on the visual style of the door, back to shaded with edges. And we're going to go to 3D model, loft. We're going to go to shell. That's the surface, sorry. And just drag the little dialog out of the way. And we want to click these two lines. But we have them in the sketch, so it's a lot easier to just hit the sketches as opposed to waiting for it to highlight that little line there. You can just go across to the sketch. And then it's just this sketch, and then you have a surface to come across. You click OK on that. Now you can see you have a surface body on the top of that door. That's a really organic shape. Okay. Now we're going to go up on your 3D model. We're going to cross the replace face, and we're going to hit the existing face, which is the top face of your door. And then you're going to go across and take new faces, and then make sure you select the surface that we created, and hit OK, and then it replaces your face with the surface. Now, just for visual style, we can turn off that. We're finished with that surface, so we can just turn the visibility off on that, and you can see your door. Nice organic shape on the front of it. Okay, thanks for watching. Watch the next video just to follow up on your advanced iParts. We'll go through the process of creating this door into a very advanced iPart. Thank you.